Where is she answering? And who am I? That's not a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO.
IT teacher.
Okay, so we're going to be making a pycharm Python script that will make us an Excel file with whatever we say on it, using Chatgpt and using pycharm. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't already done it from my other video, is download the community edition of pycharm for whatever computer you need, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once we are there, you'll end up with a file like this one here. The first thing you want to do is go File, New Project. This time it doesn't matter which interpreter you use. You can use the other one or you can use the older one. I'll just stick with the older one. I'm going to open up a new window. All right, now that I'm here, I'm going to go back to my packages, my Python packages, and I'm going to type in OpenPy Excel. Now there's heaps of stuff that you can use in here. This is just the base one, OpenPy. You can start to experiment with OpenPy Excel Grid, OpenPy Excel Stubs, and you can tell ChatGPT which one you would like it to use. Now that pycharm is set up, we can use ChatGPT to create different worksheets for us. We can be as specific as we want or as non-specific as we want. We can say, can you set up an Excel workbook with multiple connected sheets for a wedding budget? And it'll spit out a big code for us. We can say that our overall is $75,000 and it'll spit out another one. Why don't we ask it to perform a formula for us as well? Can you auto sum the difference? Difference column. And of course, it'll add in a formula for us. So this is so cool because it lets us generate however many worksheets we want for whatever sort of situation. I'm sure that if you go into those different pycharm add-ons and packages, it'll let you create all sorts of different things. One thing that you have to be careful with is make sure that you're saving it to a file that doesn't already exist or isn't already open. Otherwise, it might come up with some issues. So if I go in here and I copy the code and I'll put it in to this one here, and I'll just change this to wedding budget 3. And you can see when I press run, I'll get the finish exit code 0, which means that it's finished. You can add yourself in like a nice little statement if it does finish, saying that it has printed out. But this is located in your C drive. If you then go to your user or your local user with pycharm projects 8, and you can see that I've got wedding budget 3. So let's say that I've spent, $1,200 on this. I'll show you that it's empty to start with. So if I go to my budget summary, you can see that I've spent $1,200 there. And I've still got this much left over. If I go to my entertainment, let's say I spent way too much on entertainment. And then you can see that I've got a difference there and it's auto summed it up for me, showing me what my overall budget is left. As I said, you can do heaps of things with this. This took me about 2 minutes to do. So have fun. Use those different pycharm packages. Let me know if you need anything else.